Yes, good evening all. Yes, good evening children.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, in the last class we were going with functions. So we'll solve questions related to that. Okay, I asked you people to solve a couple of questions. I gave homework. How many of you did that? How many of you did that? I'm asking. Have you got at least tried solving the questions? Have you or not? I asked you guys to solve the questions, right? Hello? Yes, Sirisha, have you solved, Sirisha? Sirisha ji, have you solved? Are you here? Pravalika, what about you?
Yes, sir. Sir will explain 21st question.
Okay, have you solved with 20th question? Have you solved with 20th question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sirisha, what about you? It's a very good question, which has been asked in 2020. Look at the board. I think Shirisha is texting me. So you didn't attend the yesterday's class.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So solve this question, everyone. It's a simple question only. G of x given to you. G of f of x given to you. This is a complex functions. Then f of 5 by 4 is what? Very, very simple question and no important type of question. Quick. 1/2. So g of x given as x square plus x plus 1, g of x given as x square plus x minus 1, and g of f of x is equal 4x square minus 10x plus 5 given to you, right? So how do you write this as? This can be written as g of f of x is equal 4x square minus 10x plus 5, correct? Yes. G of f of x is nothing but what you have to write? G of
G
f
of
of
f
x,
of
but
5 by 4.
in G of wherever you have x, you have to substitute f of x, right? So G of x function is x square plus x minus 1, right? So what you do is f of x, I mean f square of x plus f of x minus 1, correct? Isn't it? So now look at this here. F square of x, f square of x and f of x minus 1. What he has given here, then f of 5 by 4 we need to find out. F of 5 by 4. F of 5 by 4 is nothing but what we need to find out here? G of f of 5 by 4, correct? So is equal 4 into 5 by 4 whole square minus 10 into 5 by 4 plus 5 is equal to so 4 into 25 by 16 minus 50 by 4 plus 5. 4 ones, 4 fours. So 25 by 4 minus 50 by 4 plus 5. So 25 minus 50 plus 20 by 4. All right. So 45 minus 50 by 4 is equal minus 5 by 4. Correct? Minus 5 by 4, I got this. F of 5 by 4, I got this much. Okay. So this answer minus 5 by 4, I got beta. This answer how much I got? Minus 5 by 4. And which is equal to what? What was that? G of x is what? X square plus x minus 1, right? So which can be written as f of f square of x plus f of x minus 1, right? Yes. Now, so minus 5 by 4 you got. So just substitute the value minus 5 by 4 is equal to f square of minus 5 by 4. I mean, minus becomes plus or not? Plus f of 5 by 4 minus 1. Correct? I mean, x value we are substituting 5 by 4, that's it. So f square of 5 by 4, how much you are going to get now? Check f square of 5 by 4 plus f of 5 by 4 minus 1 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. So f square of 5 by 4 plus f of 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. Correct? So tell me, how can you write this as? Isn't it looking like a plus b whole square? Isn't it looking like a plus b whole square? Look at it, I'll tell you how it is. F of 5 by 4 a plus b whole square is equal to 0. So f of 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Shifting that square to the right hand side, then f of 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Next question. Everyone solve this question. Time up. Look at this board. Look at the board, what he has given here. So f of x given, I mean inverse function of this is asking, right? So let us take this as y is equal to 8 to the power of 2x minus 8 to the power of minus 2x whole divided by 8 to the power of 2x plus 8 to the power of minus 2x. All right. So now look at the board. What can I write this as? So y is equal 8 to the power of 2x minus 1 by 8 to the power of 2x whole divided by 8 to the power of 2x plus 1 by 8 to the power of 2x. Right? So y is equal 8 base of m, adding the powers 8 to the power of 4x minus 1 whole divided by 8 to the power of 2x whole divided by 8 to the power of 4x plus 1 whole to the 8 to the power of 2x. This will be getting cancelled. So what you are going to get now? 1 plus y divided by 1 minus y is equal to 8 to the power of 4x. Correct? 8 to the power of 4x. Yes. Now, as we know that beta, look at this, whenever you have power, so we have to apply log on both sides. If I apply log on both sides, this is what I get, correct? If I apply log on both sides, so what happens? Log of 1 plus y all divided by 1 minus y. This n will be jumping forward, 4x log of 8. Correct? Log of 8. Now look at the board here. This is what I got. So, yeah. So can I take anti-log on both sides? So log base 8, log base 8. Can I take both side base 8? You can take both sides same base beta. Let me take base 8 here. So this becomes 1 here. This becomes 1. Okay. So log with base 8, 1 plus y divided by 1 minus y is equal to 4 into x into 1, 4x. Right? So what is x is going to be now? 1 by 4 times of log with base 8, 1 plus y divided by 1 minus y. Okay. So yeah, inverse function of this, inverse of this is going to be what? F inverse of x, 1 by 4 times of reverse. In terms of x, right? 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. This is the answer. 1 by 4, 1 plus x. Option A is correct. Check. Option A is correct. So basic simplification here. 1 second. Yeah. Next question will move forward. Solve this 23rd one. Pick.
Option 1.
Yes, what's the answer?
Sir. Option 1, sir.
Option 1. How many of you got option 1, beta? Yes, option 1 is right answer. Those who have done, please go through this. I'll just give you one more question. Everyone solve this question. Domain of this very, very good question. I think I don't know whether we have solved this question. I think we have solved this question. I think we have solved this question. I think we have done with this question. 2019 question only. Solve this question. Solve this question quickly.
Sir? Sir, B, sir.
Yes, option B. Mohammed ji, have you got option B, ji? Everyone solve this question, 35th one.
Option C, sir.
Option C you got?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, done. How many have you got this? Yes. Tell me guys, what's the answer? Option C you got, B you got. Guys, tell me what is the answer you got?
Sir, I got option C.
What about you, Pravalika ji? How did you solve? Can you explain me? Here k value 1, 2, 3 given, then what is f of x? I mean f4 x, f6 of x is equal to what? Can you able to explain, beta? 1/4 of sin to the power of 4x plus. Did you solve in the same way? 1/4 common. This can be written as sin square x whole square beta. Cos square x whole square beta. Correct? All right. So a square plus, I mean, let's, or else we'll write like this. Sin square x, I mean a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. A square, I mean a plus b whole square minus sin x cos x whole square, or else we'll do one thing. Let me write simply like this. Sin square x whole square cos square x whole square. All right. So 1/4 times of a square plus b square formula is what? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 2 times of ab. Correct? 2 times of ab, isn't it? A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal a plus b whole square. Correct? A plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Is it clear? So now a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2 times of ab. That is what I did here. Now, if you observe this properly, beta, so here 2 sin square x cos square x. Am I correct? AB means 2ab is nothing but here a is what? Sin square x. B is what? Cos square x. So that is how I can write this. Correct? So 1/4 times of this is going to be 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 whole square minus 2 sin x cos x can be written as what? Sin 2x. Sin 2x whole square. Can I multiply and divide with 2? Sir, why did you multiply and divide with 2 here? I'll tell you it now. Look at this here. So here 2 times of sin x cos x. Correct? And sin x cos x. 2 outside. This is how I can write here. So look at it here. If I multiply with the 2, all right, and here also multiplying with 2, what can I write here? So multiply and divide with 4 here. Correct? 2 to the 4 beta. Then only it converts as a formula called sin 2x formula. Am I correct? So now very easy now. Look at this 1/4 times of 1 square minus. So from this can I write like 2 ones, 2 2's here, of course. So 2 sin x, 2 sin x, 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. So sin 2x whole square whole divided by 2, close the bracket. Now this is how I got. So 1/4 times of 1 minus sin square 2x, right? So this is what you got. This is the, look at this, what is the question given to you? F of 4 of, yes, f of 6 we need to find out. f6 of x. This is f4 of x. Next we need to find out f6 of x is equal to 1/6 times of sin to the power of 6x plus cos to the power of 6x. All right. So 1/6 times of, so can I write like a cube? I mean, let's write like this. A cube plus b cube formula also you can write, or else we can just convert it as a square x whole cube plus b square x whole cube. A cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula. A plus b into, or else you simply write this as beta. I'll tell you one thing. So can I write like this? Sin square x plus cos square x minus 3 by 4 times of sin square x whole square. Observe this properly. So this is what you are going to get after this. 1 by 6 times of 1 minus 3 by 4 times of here, sorry, sin square x into cos square x, right? All right, so sin 2x, if I multiply and divide by 2, what you're going to get here? Sin 2x whole square, right? 2 times if I multiply and divide, so 3 by 4, so what you're going to get now? 1 by 6 times of, yes, this is what I got. He is asking what? This is f6 of x. This is f4 of x. Okay. Next, f6 of x minus f4 of x minus f6 of x is equal to what? 1 by 4 minus 1 minus sin 2x by 2 whole square minus of 1 by 6 of 1 minus 3 by 4 sin 2x whole square, right? So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 sin 2x whole square by 8 minus 1 by 6 plus 3 by 4 sin 2x whole square, correct? So how much you get beta here? Sorry, here 24, right? 6 to 3 1 3 8 again. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 minus and plus 1 by 8 sin 2x whole square.
Sir, they will cancel, no, sir?
Yeah.
Then we get minus 1 by 12.
All right. So now 1 by 8, 1 by 8, yes, they'll be getting cancelled beta. 1 by 8 times of sin 2x whole square. This will be getting cancelled. So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4, how much? So 12 LCM. So 3 minus 2, so 1 by 2, 12 is the answer. Option A is correct. Simple question only, but it's taking time to solve. Solving the equations. Next, solve this question, everyone. Range of this function is what? Quick.
Sir,
Quick, what is the answer? Range of the function is what?
1, sir. Option 1.
Option 1. How many of you got option 1? Very good. Look at it here. F of x is equal. F of x is equal x by 1 plus x square, where x belongs to R, real numbers, right, beta? Range of this function is what? See, very simple. What I told you have to consider this as y, and you have to write y function in terms of x, right? So y plus x square y is equal to x. So x square y minus x plus y is equal to 0. So what is the value of x here? What is the value of x? X can be written as minus b minus it minus plus minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ab. So 4ab whole divided by 2 times of a, right? So x is equal 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4y square by 2.
Sir, in the denominator, there is 2y, na, sir? 2y.
A, yeah, minus
2a.
b, yeah, 2a. You're saying y, 2y, yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, 2y. So 2y, yes, 2y. So what you're going to get now? Tell me. So here, beta, this has to be greater than or equal to 0. 1 minus 4y square greater than or equal to 0. So 1 greater than or equal to 4y square. So y square is equal to what? 1 less than 1 by 4, correct? So y is less than or equal to 1 by 2. I mean the modulus. Y can generate plus or minus. So y lies between what to what now? Minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. You know this property, right? If modulus of x is equal to a, beta, x gives you plus or minus a, correct? So similarly, modulus of x less than or equal to a is nothing but modulus of x will be lies between minus a to plus a. This is the property we have, right? So what is the range now? Therefore, range is going to be what? Range is going to be minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. So we are including, look at it, less than or equal to greater than or equal to. We are including both. So minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Option A is correct. Very good, beta. Next, simple question. Next. So there are questions which are related to 12th standard as well. So we will be solving. Okay. 39th question. Everyone solve 39th one. Solve this question. Pick. Considering only the principal values of inverse functions. Vic, how can you solve this question? See, very simple question. Considering the principal values of inverse functions, x greater than or equal to 0, tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4 beta, right? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula is what? Tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus tan inverse of, look at this here. Can I write directly from this? You know tan inverse of x plus y formula, right? So a plus 2x plus 3x, 5x, 1 minus 2x into 3x, 6x square is equal to pi by 4, right? So 5x whole divided by 1 minus 6x square is equal tan inverse, shifting this side, so tan pi by 4, 1 beta. So 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. So solve this beta, what you are going to get? 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 6x minus 1x is 5x. So 6x minus 1, 6x, x plus 1. That is a factor, right? Directly, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 6 or x is equal to minus 1. So what he has given beta, x should be greater than or equal to 0 beta. X is equal to greater than or equal to 0. So this is rejected beta here. So this should be my x value, correct? So what kind of x is equal to only one? So it's a singleton set. It's a singleton set here given to you, right? I'm getting only one element here. I'm getting only one element from this. So it is a singleton set. Is it correct? Are you guys able to understand? Hello, guys.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please explain first step?
First step, beta, there is a formula. Don't you know the formula? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by
Okay, sir, I understood.
1 minus x square, xy square, right? I mean, AB, tan inverse of AB. So that is what I just wrote here directly, beta. See, these are all small things, you know. You have to revise and come beta. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so we cannot like, you know, if I write each and every step, like, you know, we will not be solving many questions. That is a major fund I write sometimes. Okay, Sirisha, you getting my point?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir, I
Cool. So everyone, please, here main motive is to solve major number of questions. So if you solve more number of questions, it will be beneficial for you. So that is the reason I request everyone when I'm starting a new topic. So better you guys revise that and come to the class. So function, this is the functions is all about. We have solved, like, you know, decent enough questions. So yeah, this type of questions you can expect in the exam as well. And one more time, one more thing I would like to tell you here is, like, tomorrow, what topic shall we go with? Tell me. Jafar, Sirisha, Pravalika, tell me what topic shall we go with tomorrow so that we'll solve the question accordingly.
So permutations and combinations.
Permutations and combinations. Okay. Okay, let's see. Tomorrow we'll go with this. So please do revise the permutations and combinations and come to the class. So formulas, the basic things. Okay. You have a couple of formulas over there, right? You just revise that and come to the class so that it will be easy for you guys to understand if I write, you know, if you straight away go for the questions. Okay, people. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Goodbye.